Hello, Salesforce enthusiast! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into an essential aspect of Salesforce, which is campaigns. If you are new to Salesforce or looking to understand how to manage marketing efforts effectively, you are in the right place. But before we jump into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and do not forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome content. And for all of our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel, and I'm grateful for your continued support. Now, campaigns in Salesforce are a powerful tool for managing your marketing and promotional activities, right? So they allow you to plan, execute, and track various marketing initiatives all within the Salesforce platform. Now, before we go to the campaign itself, make sure you go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome at the moment, but you can use Safari, Brave, or Microsoft Edge, and any browser because Salesforce is compatible to all of it. Log into salesforce.com. If you do not have an account yet, please create one. It's super easy and fast. Once you've successfully created your account, log in using your credentials and you will hover to the home here. You have to go, as you can see, there's like sales, home, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, calendar, forecast, dashboard, supports, codes. But you don't have the campaigns really, right? You see the gray dotted areas here. It's gray. It's grayed out. But when you hover your mouse, it's turning into a color dots. So all you gotta do is click on that and type in campaigns, right? There's that campaigns. Okay. And while it's loading, let me just share to you that campaigns in Salesforce offers a lot of advantages for businesses and organizations, especially when it comes to managing marketing and promotional activities. So it helps you structure and organize your marketing initiatives, making it easier to plan, execute, and track various activities such as like campaigns, advertising, events, and more. And you can also measure the success of your marketing efforts by tracking the performance of each campaign. It'll allow you to calculate the return of investment or ROI and determine which campaigns are the most effective in generating leads or sales. Now, so when you are on the campaign dashboard here, all I gotta do is on the upper right there's new. Click that new. Okay. So campaign name, let's say right. You will be given an option here for the status like planned, in progress, completed. So it's up to you. It's up to you where you want to choose it. So for now, let's say let's use, yeah, let's use plan, right? And you should always use it as active. What type of event you will be given: demo, sign up, email, referral program, search, social media, thought leadership, and other more. So for now, let's use other, right? So we're not gonna deal with the payment campaign for now. And there's the dates that you will be given and the exact budget for that. No. So moving forward, so basically here you can segment your target audience with campaigns, and it will allow you to send tailored messages and offers to a specific group, increasing the relevance and impacts of your marketing efforts. So Salesforce offers robust reporting and analytics tools for campaigns. You can also create custom reports and dashboards to visualize campaign performance and make data-driven decisions, right? So for now, let's save and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. All right, so we have it here now, right? So this the data collected from campaigns can provide, valuable insights into a customer behavior, preferences and engagement patterns, which can inform future marketing strategies. Because Salesforce campaigns can grow with their business, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, you can use campaigns to manage marketing efforts effectively. And Salesforce provides robust security measures to protect campaign data, ensuring that sensitive information is safe from any unauthorized use. How cool is it, right? So, Salesforce campaigns offer a comprehensive and user friendly solution for planning, executing, and tracking marketing efforts. Of course, they help businesses make informed decisions, improving the efficiency of marketing campaigns, and ultimately, the drive revenue growth, right? That's easy. And I believe that campaigns are a lot beneficial for a lot of cases. Let's say for if you're launching a new product, to organize events or sending new email newsletters, they will provide a clear structure to your marketing efforts, right? So here you can add leads, add contacts. You can actually all of the information here are customizable depending on your needs and your plans and goals, right? You can also add another campaign if you wanted here. So all you gotta do is go to in this section and type in campaigns again. If you wanted to create another one, so that's that, right? So if you wanted to create another if you wanted to create another new campaign, that's where you go, okay? And that's a wrap for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.